understand if you really have to go. Always against us, niggas move extra. Always wanna test us, I don't need a lecture. Countless times when that pain it had me messed up, but through the storm they be saying that I'm next up. Threw my heart away and then them people left us. Through the pain it's like nobody gets us, but I'm still always gonna try and get up, cause living life in itself, God's blessed us. I was in the trenches, pain had me defenseless. I know that they could sense it, but I know it's still just gonna be alright.